Well, good morning, YouTube. Uh, it's real windy. It's shaking my bus around. You know, it keeps on shaking. It's going to turn me into an omelet. Yeah. But I made it through it. But it's, like I said, it's still rough. And there's buggies going across the parking lot. The wind's blowing, and it's real wild. You know, at one time I thought it was going to flip over. Well, I was just making this short clip to tell you and show you how the storm's going down here in Florida. Thanks for watching. I'll put another one out as the storm unfolds.